Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool and basically right here in my hand, and basically what this is an action camera. You guys can see it from that brand right there. So this is the Insta360 Go 2. I saw a lot of different influencers trying this out and I actually wanted to try out for myself to see how well it performs and whether or not it's actually really that good. As good as they actually mentioned. But first thing first, let me actually take off this wrapper first. So this is what the packaging looks like on here. If we turn on the side right here, you can see there's a bunch of facts about the product itself. So the product itself has the flow state stabilization, so it definitely will give you guys a very good stabilization by using the product itself. You guys can use it hand-free, you guys can mount it anywhere. It has a maximum quality of 1440p at 50 frames per second. The product itself is supposed to be fully waterproof. It also has the option of auto editing, so I guess it edited for you, which is pretty cool. You guys also get the option of the hyperlapse, a slow motion option, a remote control option, and a Wi-Fi preview option as well. And then this is basically everything that's provided for you guys in the actual packaging itself. And when you take a look on this side right here to show you guys where you guys can actually use it or some of the scenarios on how you guys can use it. But first thing first, let me actually open the product to show you guys what's included inside first. So when you guys first open it up, this is basically what the product looks like right there. So you can see how small the product is. Like if you guys compare it to my phone, it's really small. So I pull it out. There's a magnet in the back and there's a magnet right here that's holding it up. So let's continue opening up the package first to show you guys what's in here. So we opened up this part right here. This is what the inside looks like right there. So there's a magnet right here. So let's take it out first. Right. So this is basically the magnet that was actually holding up the actual product itself. So when you guys actually use this necklace magnet, you guys want to make sure you use it on the correct side. So it's not on this side, but it's on this side, if you can see. It holds up really nicely. So let's say if you guys want to wear this around your neck and go for runs, you guys can definitely use it, which is pretty cool. So that's the first part. Let me actually keep opening up the product first to show you guys what else is included. So if you ever forget what's different functionality that's on the product itself and how to use it, you guys can refer to this instruction manual right here that's included for you guys. But let's keep opening up the package first and show you guys what else is in here first. So right here, they provide you guys a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. So right here is a quick starter guide, and they do provide you guys some stickers, which is pretty cool. But at the very bottom, you can see there's a bunch of accessories right here. So first thing I can see right here is a USB to USB-C cable that you want to use to charge it up. Right here is accessories. I guess you guys can actually attach this onto like your hat or whatever. Right here is another accessory. So I guess this is like a charging case that's also used as a tripod, which is pretty cool. You guys can put the product inside right here. So it should go something like this. And it has a magnet that holds it in right there. And then plug in the cable right here to charge it up. And the cool thing about this, if I stick on the back right here, you guys can open up this part right here and put it down. So that way you can do like time lapse or whatever. Anyways, it's done. Close it back up. And then if you want to take this out, just go like this to remove it. So definitely cool how they give you guys that option right there. And last but not least, they provide you guys this accessory right here that you can use like a tripod. So you guys want to go like this. And then just go like this. Take this part out. So once you guys have it set up, you guys can put this around your wrist. And just start recording like this. So that way you can do like a vlog or whatever, which is very cool and very convenient. So that way you guys don't have to worry about carrying like a huge camera with you guys when you guys are going for runs or going for like vlogging or whatever. And I guess in a way you can also say that this is super convenient if you guys want to use this like underwater for like swimming or whatever, because you guys have this strapped into your wrist, and this whole thing is fully waterproof, so you guys can actually bring this under the water or whatever, which is really cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. So I definitely love everything that they provide for you guys. So you get the necklace options that you can actually put it around your neck if you guys want to. Or you guys can use this accessories that you can actually put onto your hat, just like this if you guys want to. Or you guys can use like the tripod option as well right here, where you can actually do like your own vlogs. And last but not least, the fact that they provide you guys this charging case as well that you can also use as a like time-lapse video or whatever like this is really cool as well. But I definitely have to say that the coolest thing about this product is the fact of how strong the magnet is. Like if I were to wear this necklace inside my shirt and put this outside like this, it can definitely still work. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, so you can see I have this here. If I put it all the way inside my clothes like this, so this is like 2 layers of clothes right now. If I just put it like this, you guys can see how strong that is. It's literally under 2 layers of clothes right now, and you can see how strong the actual magnet is. It literally will not fall off unless you guys use some string to pull it out like this. Otherwise, you guys don't have to worry about it. Like even if I jump up and down, it will not fall down. So that's definitely really cool. So let's say if you guys want to go for like runs or whatever, you guys want to record your run, you guys can just turn it on and just use this while you guys are running. Or you guys can also use this like a body cam as well, kind of like the police officers and everything. You can just put this on your chest and just record everything that goes on. Just to be safe, if anyone attacks you or whatever, you guys have all the evidence right here. So this is definitely a really cool feature which I plan on using a lot. So let's say for example, if you guys are just recording stuff right here and all of a sudden you're like, oh, I don't want to record it here anymore and I want to give you guys a different point of view. You can just take it out like this and put it on here like this. And then start recording stuff in that angle. And then let's say if you guys don't want to use that, you're going to take it out, just go like this and put it on here. and now you can start vlogging stuff. So it's definitely really cool how you guys have the option to use. And once you guys are done vlogging, you definitely stick it out like that and put it back here. It's literally such a cool product that I don't think there's anything that can beat this so far. So the cool thing about this option right here is that if you guys put it on like this, you guys can actually adjust it. So you guys can push it up down like this, to different angles, just like that. Or if you guys want to, just push it back up like this, all the way up. You guys can definitely do that as well. So that way you can actually get different angles and everything, which is really, really cool. So remove the back part right here. That is basically what the back part looks like right there. So once I put this inside here, it can start charging. You can hear how strong the magnet is. Alright, so we got the product right here. If you plug it into the bottom part right here, you guys can see that's connecting, but it's charging right here. So that's how you guys know it's charging. And there's a little indicator right here to show you guys when it's charging as well. It should be red. If you guys are not using this cable to plug in right here, you can see it's red right there. So when you guys are using this to charge it, it's red. But when you guys use the cable right here to plug in and press connect, you guys are charging using the case right here. But then you guys are also using the cable right here to charge it up. So that's basically how you guys charge the product itself. So basically the way how you guys connect it is by pressing this button right here. And you guys are connecting this product right here onto here now. And it tells you guys to change like the setting and everything. So you guys want to... So you probably want to do all of that first. Once you guys finish that, you have to get this screen right here where you can start recording stuff or whatever. And obviously for this part, you do get the option to download the app to use that option as well. So you can see you guys want to scan that. So just download the app and show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys go to the website, you want to download this app right here. Alright, so the app should look something like this. So we want to download that first. Alright, so this is basically what the app looks like. Very cool. So we want to connect the device and everything first. So right now it's connecting it onto the Wi-Fi and also on the Bluetooth on the actual phone itself. Alright, so once we connected to the app, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So you can change the mode from standard, Pro Video, HDR, or time-lapse. So you can change the resolution from 1440 to 1080. And for the ratios, you can adjust it from 16:9 to 9:16. And then for the last thing, they give you guys the option of the FOV. If you guys want a wide, if you guys want action view, a linear, or narrow view. And obviously you can do photos or videos here as well. And the top right there show you guys the battery right here. And to show you guys how much space is on the actual product itself right here as well. And the way how you guys turn on and off the product is by pressing this button right down, by holding it down. Alright, so now it's off. If you guys want to turn it back on, just press it one time to turn it on. And it seems from the app itself, you guys got a lot of different features on here. So you can do Explore, you guys do Album, you guys can take photos of videos, you guys have the story option and setting page as well. So in the story page or the story option right here, you guys can choose one of the templates and use that to create your own story with the footage that you guys have. So I believe that is the auto editing option that they have built into the product itself, which is pretty awesome. I definitely love how good everything is in terms of performance. It has a very good stabilization on the product itself. Definitely really cool how they give you guys all the different accessories to use. And then you guys can also stick this onto like a tripod, which is pretty cool. Like basically everything that you want in a camera is literally all on here. This might actually be one of the best action cameras out there today, where you can do so much on here. It has a time-lapse option, it has the slow-mo option, and everything else. In terms of the battery life on the product itself, it's supposed to give you guys around like 150 minutes of usage. So that's a little bit over 2 hours of usage, and all you guys need to do is charge it for around like half an hour, which is pretty awesome. And obviously, since the actual case itself is so small, you guys can actually bring this on the go with you guys anywhere, and all you guys need to do is just plug in the cable to recharge it. So you guys are not limited to using like a wall charger, but you can definitely use like a power bank to recharge it as well. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this product is super worth it if you guys want more and need one of these. Especially if you guys are looking for like an action camera that can do basically almost anything, where it has really good stabilization, where it can do slow-mo, time-lapse, and especially if you guys are trying to look for a camera where you can do hand-free stuff, whether you guys want to put it on your hat, your helmet, if you guys want like a necklace option, you guys definitely have a lot of different options to use on this product. So I definitely have to say that this product is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.